Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Biography of Athletes.
Again I will back with Indian youngest talent blower Chetan Sakariya lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Chetan Sakariya is an Indian cricketer who represents Saurashtra in domestic cricket. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Chetan Sakariya biography. Real name, Chetan Sakariya. Nickname, Sakariya. Occupation, Indian cricketer. Ethnicity, Indian, Asian. Zodiac signs, Pisces. Date of birth, August 20, 1998, age 22 years. Place of birth, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, India. Nationality, Indian. Religion, Hinduism. Education, Vidya Vihar High School. Net worth, INR 1.2 crore. Chetan Sakariya professional debut. IPL debut, Punjab Kings at Wankhede Stadium, April 12, 2021. First class debut, Gujarat vs Saurashtra at Nadiad, November 20, 2018. List A debut, Baroda vs Saurashtra at Delhi, February 22, 2018. T20 debut, Saurashtra vs Railways at Indore, February 21, 2019. Chetan Sakariya cricketer career. Batting style, left-handed bat. Bowling style, left arm fast medium. Playing role, bowler. Current teams, Rajasthan Royals, bowler. Saurashtra cricket team, bowler. Sakariya used to play cricket for different teams at local level. He was also a part of his school cricket team. Once he was playing for his school team in a district tournament where he got the attention of Rajendra Gohal, one of the coaches of Sinji Cricket Academy. Later, he joined the academy and there he started honing his skills under coach Gohal's guidance. He soon made his name in Saurashtra's junior cricket team. He couldn't get to play for Saurashtra under-16's team, but his consistency helped him to get in the under-9. Subsequently, he joined MRF Pace Foundation with the help of Saurashtra Cricket Association, where he got trained under former Australian bowler Glenn McGrath. Domestic career. On February 22, 2018, Sakariya played his first List A match for Saurashtra against Baroda in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. He took 2 wickets for 73 runs out of his 10 overs quota. The same year, on November 20th, he started his first-class career against Gujarat. He picked 5 wickets in the first innings and a total of 6 wickets in the match. Next year, in February, Chetan played his first main T20 match against Railways in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. He took 1 wicket in the match. Chetan Sakariya family details. Father, Kanji Sakariya, lorry driver. Mother, Varsha Sakariya. Brother, Rahul Sakariya. Chetan Sakariya favorite things. Actress, Ananya Pandey. Film, Tar Zameen Par, 2007. Cricketer, batsman Yuvraj Singh. Bowler Junaid Khan. Irfan Pathan. Zahir Khan. Chetan Sakariya physical stats. Body types, slim height, centimeters 170 centimeters, in meters 1.7 ohm weight, 60 J color, dark brown hair color, black distinctive features, smile. Chetan Sakariya unknown facts. Chetan Sakariya is an Indian cricketer who plays for the Saurashtra cricket team in the domestic circuit and Rajasthan Royals in the Indian Premier League. On 20 November 2018, Chetan Sakariya made his debut in first-class cricket for Saurashtra in Ranji Trophy, where he picked up a fifer in his first. Chetan Sakariya replaced Jaydevan Adkot, who was out due to injury in that match. Chetan Sakariya while growing up wanted to be a batsman, but eventually diverted his interest to fast bowling. He did not receive any kind of cricket coaching until the age of 16 before that he used to train himself playing tennis ball cricket. Chetan Sakariya had completed his 12th in science, therefore, his father wanted him to become an engineer, but he had other plans at his disposal. Chetan Sakariya was the sole provider in his family. His father, who was a tempo driver, suffered from ill health and was unable to afford his. Chetan Sakariya's family did not have a TV set at their house and used to go to their neighbors to watch him play. Chetan Sakariya's maternal uncle helped him cover his expenses and continue with his cricket by providing him with a job at his station. Chetan Sakariya during his younger days suffered due to an injury upon his glute and a stress fracture on his back due to overworking his body, and he was out for nearly. Chetan Sakariya's impressive performances at the domestic level for Saurashtra helped him to secure the scholarship to train under Australian cricket legend Glenn McGrath at MRF Pace Foundation. Chetan Sakariya, who did have a strong financial background, didn't even have money to buy a pair of shoes for himself. It was Sheldon Jackson, a senior batsman from Bhavnagar, whom he used to bowl in nets during practice sessions, that gifted him his pair of cricket shoes. Chetan Sakariya's attributes such as swing, accuracy, and bowling at around 130 kph is one of his biggest strengths. Chetan Sakariya travelled with the Royal Challenger Bangalore squad as a net bowler last season in UAE. Chetan Sakariya joined Rajasthan Royals in the player auction in 2021 after a bidding war between Rajasthan Royals and Royal Challenger Bangalore. He was sold for INR 1.20 crore. Chetan Sakariya's mother in an interview told that the first thing his son hopes to do with the money is buying them a house in Raj. Chetan Sakariya lost his brother by suicide just 3 weeks before being signed by Rajasthan Royals in 2021. His parents hid the news from him for 10 days as it would affect his performance in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. He was the 6th highest wicket taker in the tournament. Chetan Sakariya made his debut in IPL on 12 April 2021 and picked up a 3-wicket haul on his debut for Rajasthan Royals against Punjab.